ABS sensor. Rotor has to come off for it. Oh, brother. Okay, this changes things. What the heck? What the hitty? Hello. Ain't Pisces. Let's put in Pisces. E-Torx. This is difficult. Who builds these anymore? Where's my E5? Don't think I need that for this though. No sir. Cutting out. Something else I'm missing in there. Don't tell me this has to come out. Get out of here. No way. Sneak them on out of there. Okay. Now, inspect the teeth in here. They don't look great. What we have here is a lot of grease buildup. So I wonder if there's just grease on some of this tone ring causing this to happen. We're going to assess the situation, maybe clean the grease off a little bit, and go from there. Alright, so we have OK to blow out the grease. It's filled up with grease, all the teeth have grease on them. We're going to blow those out, and then he also wants to still replace the sensor. So let's blow these out. A lot of dirt and dust. I want to get that out. You know, some people say, well, it's supposed to read through the grease. Yes, it is, but, you know, sometimes it can clog up with some metal in there and just cause a false reading. So we're just doing it to prevent any, you know, having to take this back apart again, really. Clean this grease off me. Keep moving. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but teeth all look really clean in there. No grease piled up, no dirt, no dust, no debris. That should give a good reading, and then we're going to zoom the sensor just because the guy wants to do it because of how long the labor to get it off anyway, so you might as well. I already have it halfway out. We're going to keep moving along on it. See, you gotta slide this in there without messing it up like the other one came out. Yes. Very good. Very good now. You go.